I stomach. What?
But there. What I say?
You know, it's a business me I look about and it's a 10 grand I want to see. I'm going to be the best person to give me.
Hold on. Wait there. Now you tell me say we left.
Kuya.
Yes, but I love you. I'm just not in love with you.
Watch ya.
What?
There's a difference, stupid.
What the difference?
When I used to wake up next to you, I used to see a future with you. Now that we are no longer together, I no longer do.
Kuya.
So that is like me saying I'm in debt, but I don't have debt. Here I'm walking at the bank, at the bank, and they say, yo, what up the teller? I tell him, say, yo, dog, what 100 grand bar, you know, but I mean, I have a lot of debt with the bank, but I'm not in debt to the bank.
Huh?
There's a difference. Stupid. You see, we're already together. We used to wake up every day and make payments. That was me being in debt to you. But now we left. I feel like so if we move on and go separate ways. So I no longer make no payments. So I am no longer in debt to you, but I will always have debt with you. Goodbye.
I coulda with you in the backside.